Welcome to Wingnuts Workshop. Mail call. Nice. Well packed. A vintage Stanley number 700 corner vise. Got a little wiggle on that, and I need to make a new ball end, threaded ball end for this. But check out the wood. Appears to be 100% original. Smooth, looks lightly oiled, a little bit of wear and tear inside, but made in USA. It'll fit on the edge of my workbench. There are many people on the group that have these, that restore tools, that use these and have them in their workshop. I've seen how easy and how nice they would be for doing vertical, doing horizontal, and having things. So I've kept an eye on eBay for the past couple of years and found one for under 20 bucks, and I went ahead and splurged. So future restoration project. Thanks for visiting Wingnuts Workshop.